So today we have with us another pair of Jordan trainers. These are the Jordan One Take 4. But before I continue with my video, I just want to ask you all if you could please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. It will literally take no more than 4 seconds. So looking at the box, this is definitely different to the box that I've had before. Normally it's a black box with a Jordan logo in the middle, but this is a white box with all these golden lines going around it, and it looks really cool. Down here you have some sort of signature. I'm not sure exactly what signature that is. Doesn't look like Jordan, might be something else. If you guys know, please let me know in the comment section below, but it really does look cool. So let's get to opening this up and show you what's inside. And here they are, guys. These are the Jordan One Take 4, and these are in the black, gold and white color, and these look absolutely amazing. I really like the color combination, and on first impressions I'm really impressed with these. So let's start off by looking at the bottom of the trainer. You've got this zigzag design going across to the middle, black on white, and it says air zoom here. Not sure if you can see that, but it's on black, so it's a bit difficult to see. Then you've got this gold part in the middle here. Now this is creased in. I'm not a really big fan of it when it's creased in. The reason is because sometimes you can get some dirt in here and it's a hassle cleaning it out. You've got the Jordan logo here, black on white, looks really cool. Now the grip at the bottom, if I rub my hand against it, feels very smooth, but I can assure you there's plenty of grip on here. It's not as grippy as the Stay Loyal trainers were. I feel as though they had more grip on them, and when I was rubbing my hand against them I could really feel the friction, whereas on here I can't really feel it as much. So let's have a look at the side of the trainer, and this is where the trainer starts to look really nice. I'm a big fan of black and gold, and I think the way this trainer is designed, it looks very nice. I like this zigzag design here. Never seen it before on other trainers, but I've become a fan now. It looks really good. You have plastic here, and you have a bit of suede material here. It goes around here and it goes around there, and in the middle here it's a bit of a fabric, and you have a bit of a plastic here, which I'm not sure exactly what it's for. Maybe it's to repel water, but there is some breathable holes here which will really help in the summer. Back here you've got a bit of black shiny material here, and what I've noticed with this in my hand is the trainer is very light. I really like that. My one complaint about the Stay Loyals were that they were quite heavy, but this is not the case with this trainer. Now coming to the back of the trainer, again you've got this gold logo against the black, and it really looks nice. And I think from the back what they've done here is they've designed it in such a way that it really sticks out. It looks really good, but the only problem we have at the bottom here, it says Jordan. I would have preferred that to have been in gold so it sticks out. I just think it would make the trainer look a lot better. And then obviously you have up here the signature tag, which all the Jordan trainers come with to help you get your foot into the trainer. Now coming to the inner side of the trainer, you've got a lot of suede material here, going across here and going across here as well. Suede material looks very good, but it's a hassle to clean if it gets dirty. So if you do buy these, please do look after them, because once this gets dirt on it, it's not going to look the same again. But nevertheless, it looks really cool, looks really nice, and it's like a matte black color, which everyone prefers anyway. Coming to the front of the trainer, quite a bit going on here. You've got the bit of plastic here, you've got the suede here, you've got the Jordan logo here, and you've got this other material here. Now I don't know how this stands out in the rain. It looks like a repellent material, so I'm assuming the rain will just come off, but it is a thin material, so I don't really know how it will be in the rain, but I'm hoping it will be quite good. Now coming to the laces section, it's quite a bit of a different approach to what I've seen before. So you got the hole here, here and also here, but you got the tags here, and also on this side here as well. They're on opposite side to each other as opposed to being on the same side. Don't really know what I think of it. It's not a bad thing, and it's not really a good thing as well. Now coming to the top here, we have this flap here, which is very thin, by the way, and I really like this because sometimes on trainers, especially on the Stay Loyals, they're quite hard and it doesn't make it comfortable when you're putting your foot into the trainer. But this here, I can feel it. It's very thin, so when you put your foot in, I'm sure there'll be no issues getting your foot in, and there'll be no issues with the comfortability of it as well. So here are the trainers side by side, and they are identical. Sometimes on Jordan trainers you have a bit of difference on the looks. Like for example on the Stay Loyal, at the back of one of the trainer it said 23, on the other one it has the Jordan logo, but these are identical. Now I'm just going to go try these on, walk around for a bit and give you guys my review about what I think about the comfortability. So I've had my quick fun with these. I put them on, I've tested them quickly, and there are a few things that I want to mention. They're not as comfortable as the Stay Loyal. The Stay Loyal, I just felt as though there's a lot more cushion. especially at the front here. I felt as though as the trainer went on, the cushioning went less, but in the Stay Loyal the cushioning was a lot better. I know these are different types of trainers, but I can only compare with the Stay Loyal because they're the ones I have currently with me. At the front of the trainer here, this part, when I put my foot into it, it's not exactly in the middle of the trainer, it's a bit to the inside, and I just felt as though it didn't look nice. Maybe it would have been better if it were a bit in the middle, or maybe if it was a bit smaller and not coming up as much, would have looked better. So the final verdict on these guys, my opinion is that these are a solid 7 out of 10. And the things that I like about it is this material that they've used here, this suede material. I think it looks really, really nice. Definitely will stand out, and you might even get quite a lot of compliments regarding it. The black and gold on this looks very, very good as well. I'm a big fan of it, and I think you can't go wrong with the color combination on this. There are other colors that you can get. Obviously your preference might be different, but my preference, black and gold, is really, really good. I do have some complaints about it, like I mentioned earlier. The inner sole is not as comfortable as I was hoping for it to be, but nevertheless I do see myself using these on a daily. So that's it from me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you are updated of any future video uploads.